how to add money to Venmo account. So in this video, I will show you how to do that. Just follow a few easy steps. Now let's get started. First of all, open the Venmo. Now unlock your phone and open the Venmo app. You will see your balance and recent transaction on home screen. After that, go to the manage balance section. Next, look at the bottom of the screen and you will see an icon that says 3 lines, as you can see here, or 3 lines. As I said before, tap on it to open the menu and then tap on manage balance. After that, add funds. By now, tap on add funds and you will be asked to enter the amount of money you want to add to your Venmo account. Choose how much money you want to add, then tap next. After that, choose a payment method. So next you need to choose how you want to add the money, and you can choose to link your bank account or use a debit card. Now make sure your bank card is linked to Venmo. After that, confirm and add money. Once you have selected your payment method, tap add funds to confirm the money you will be added to your Venmo account. Now this is how to add money to Venmo account. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.